This house is spotted in Da Nang, Vietnam. Belongs to a married couple that prioritize peace and proximity to nature during their retirement. Typically, housing construction in Vietnam is characterized by a high density, lack of natural light, stuffy spaces, and a lack of connection. The solution proposed is to bring the home's public spaces to the front, enhancing the connection between family members and allowing natural light to permeate every functional area. Family member can sense the shifts in light, air, and wind throughout the entire house, including the bedroom. The use of exposed bricks and natural wood as primary materials gives a reminiscent vibe of rural Vietnamese houses. This serves as the main source of inspiration for the overall concept. During nighttime, the objective is to create a cozy, warm, and serene atmosphere by employing lights of moderate power and appropriate color temperature, rather than relying on excessive high-power lighting. The living room is pushed forward to facilitate receiving guests. The rooms are seamlessly connected through a series of domed corridors, built in a traditional style. The roof is tilted to drain water during the rainy season and at the same time reminds of the image of houses in rural areas of Vietnam. Skylights are arranged in the front, back and center so that the house is always filled with light while still creating depth. The kitchen cabinets are also made of wood, and the doors have many ventilated compartments to prevent food from getting moldy. The bedroom has glass doors overlooking the skylight. The stairs are protected with iron wires. Rustic and quiet ceiling tiles are the main material used in the house. The grandparents' worship room is located on the top floor, near the terrace. The arched door and roof reflect the style of a rural house. The children's bedrooms have more cheerful and youthful colors but still do not break the calm and rustic rule of the whole house. Outdoor stairs lead to the terrace area. At night, incandescent lights are arranged around the garden and in the house to make the space warmer and more peaceful. Dining table set made from rustic natural wood.